The question is, how do you help people to change their identity from I'm a victim to, yes, that's one of the things that I've survived, but let me tell you what other things I have survived. And so there's something very, very exciting about telling the trauma story over and over again, but that doesn't help you to recover.
Yeah.
In order to recover, you really have to have new experiences that are different.
So for new therapists or coaches or practitioners out there, is there a kind of a word of warning or word of caution you would say? Because they're eager to hear the person's story, right? Tell me your story. Tell me about how you were hit as a kid. Like,
Yeah.
what could we tell them instead of doing that?
I tell them the same thing that one of my teachers once told me. And he said, Bessel, learn to keep your voyeuristic tendencies on hold.
Hmm.
So a lot of therapy may turn into voyeurism of hearing other people's stories. But that's not what the job of the therapist is. The job of the therapist is to allow people to meet themselves and to allow the past to be experienced as a thing belonging to the past.